All right, guys. This brand has sent me photographer's bags, and all that. And now they have a two-in-one card reader. So this is a card reader and a card holder. This holds cards, micro SD and SD cards. This is how little it is. It's very compact, so you can bring it with you everywhere. The cool thing, it has the cable. You can make it into a holder, so you can put it on your backpack or anything. That's pretty cool. So you can see here, it holds 6 cards. You can put 4 micro SD and 2 SD cards. Here's the reader right here. The speed of reading is 312 megabytes per second. And if you see here is the SD right here and the micro over here. You can put 2 cards at once. It will read them both at the same time, so you can transfer from whichever you need. Like I said, if you're a photographer and a videographer or content creator, you know you need as much memory as you can or storage for your content, and having a reader and a storage for your memory cards is very convenient, and it's as small as it is, that's a plus. This brand has a lot of good products. Check them out. It's compact and convenient. If you're like me, that you have to go to events and upload content as you go, this is a very convenient way, because is this work for your iPhone. So as soon as you plug it in, see the blue light is on. That means that it's reading it. And then you go to your photos, and you see down here it says import. And there you can pick all the photos that you want to import. So you say, let's want to pick some here. Want to import all this to my phone. Import selected, and then import to library, and now it's importing. Let's see how long it takes. That's it. It's done. I imported like 50, 60 photos in less than 10 seconds. So that's how fast it reads your card. Definitely recommend it. Give them a try. Brand is amazing. Convenient. You can use it on your phone, on your computers. It has a connector too. If you don't have USB-C on your phone, you can connect this to a computer USB-A. It has a USB-A connector, and now you can use it on your computer or any device that takes USB-A. But if you have USB-C, then there you go. So I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.